The National Weather Service in Seattle, Washington, has issued a blizzard warning for the Cascades of Whatcom and Skagit counties, Cascades of Snoqualmie and Northern King counties, Cascades of Southern King County, Cascades of Pierce and Lewis counties, including Mount Baker, Greenwater, Stevens Pass, Longmire, Silverton, Paradise, Ashford, Snoqualmie Pass, Mount Rainier, and Crystal Mountain, issued at 12:34 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Blizzard warning in effect from 2 a.m. to noon Wednesday. Snow expected at or above elevations greater than 2,000 feet. Blizzard conditions are possible at times due to winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Impacts, travel, and other activities could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commutes. Very strong winds could cause extensive tree damage. Total snow accumulations upwards of 10 to 15 inches at Snoqualmie Pass, with 15 to 20 inches at Stevens Pass. Mount Rainier and Mount Baker could see amounts upwards to 2 feet or more. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle and prepare for power outages and road closures.